This is a brand new 2014 BMW 3 Series. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: BMW apps, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, air conditioning, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.